Okay, so today we are taking out the Grom on a snowy, wet afternoon, mostly to test out that's crazy. How do you go from running Is it really that cold? Sorry, buddy. Oh, man. Okay, so I'm gonna start by just chatting a little bit, going at 30 kilometers an hour, mostly to see if it's possible to talk to the camera on a factory mic setup, as in no microphone at all. And the answer, in my opinion, is probably not. And these people, why did the bike shut off? Literally, what is happening right now? Oh, I hit the kill switch. Am I slow? Have I not ridden? Nah. That's crazy. Did I hit the kill switch? I'm gonna have to watch that back and see if that was me, because like, what was that? Oh my goodness. Anyway, as I was saying, I gotta be careful first and foremost, because the ground is wet and the tires are cold and the road is cold and there's literally snow, so that's why I have to be careful. So people are probably wondering what the hell I'm doing riding my bike. But I'm bored and I got a new camera. The bike feels so slow right now. I don't know what's going on. Is it because it's cold? Like, that's such a stupid question, because I mean, I don't know what the computers on these things are capable of. Like, I know it's cold, so obviously it's gonna need to adjust that air fuel ratio. Can it? Probably. It's a basically brand new bike. I assume it's pretty smart, but I don't know. But it is running funny, and by funny I just mean it feels down on power, and it's cold out. I'm taking these corners so slow. I do not want to slip out. I've never ridden with snow on the road, but there's no first for everything. Just making sure the camera is still there, and it was in fact still there. So I'm just gonna pull into this little warehouse here. Not for any reason other than I just don't feel like going too far from safety. Yeah, it feels better. I don't know. Now that it warmed up or something, it feels better. Definitely feels a little better. Nice and empty. You know, I'm not gonna lie. This lot has security in it. I don't exactly know where, but I know they're here somewhere. They're definitely here, probably behind me. And this warehouse isn't in use yet, but it's they still got security. How do you think the Grom does in the snow? Terrible. Oh yeah, I'm just running over all these chunkers. I don't care if there's ice in it or not. All right, let me just quickly, like I said, new camera. Let me make sure she's still running, and it is indeed cool. I don't know why the light looks like that. The color kind of looks funny, man. I don't know if it's because it's literally blue outside. Like, it actually is, you know, maybe it is accurate. Shit, is my pocket zipped up? There we go. All right. Oh, that one was ass. That one was ass. Okay. So anyway, I got some new Pro Taper bars at the end of the season just now, and I really haven't gotten the chance to ride with them that much. Whoops. I haven't gotten the chance to ride with them that much. They're but they're nice. I do like how wide they are. It takes some getting used to for sure, because I used to just ride around with the factory bars for an entire season, and then you get these really wide guys, and that's not the part that makes it like hard to get used to. I actually think it's setting the rake, how backwards it is, because at first I had it way too far forward. I almost looped it. At first I had it way too far forward, so when it was like this, and when I'd wheelie, like, it would feel like my hands are like a chopper, and then I kind of put them in a more neutral position, and it feels better now. It feels more OEM, you could say. These wheelies are pretty bad, huh, guys? It's probably because I'm talking, and it's like the tire feels like it's got so much air in it. Like, I'm like rocking side to side. Oh Lord. You know, hold on, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till we slow down, because I don't know what the audio is like while riding. Yeah, I was gonna say, it's Boxing Day, and you see someone out on a motorcycle on Boxing Day, maybe they probably think, why does it smell like that? I smell something. It smells like grease being burnt off the exhaust. Oh, that's it, ain't? Sorry, that's my, no, it's not. I thought that was my brother. Oh, look at that Accord. That thing is sweet. Oh, that thing was cool. That's probably like a 98, 99 or something like that. I used to have one of those, but like literally for 2 months. I bought it for the winter. They're not really that good of a car though. Mine was the V6 DXL. I think you can get it with like an F20B or something. Oh, look at the puppy, little doggos. Anyway, I really hope the riding audio and quality is good. The video, I hope the video looks good. I know the color was funny, at least in my opinion. When I get the footage back onto my computer, we'll see. This video is definitely going up, by the way, even though it's like a tester, because why not? Why not, right? This is my first vlog, my first moto vlog. Round of applause. Round of applause. Okay. Oh, but back then when I almost looped it, sorry, I was in the middle of talking when it happened, but yeah, I actually almost looped it. I don't know if you can see it, my foot came off and I jammed the rear brake. That was hilarious to me. But no panic. No panic. This is not my house, by the way. Just an FYI. So for all you weirdos, it's not my house. Yeah, it smells like it hasn't been ridden. It smells like it hasn't been ridden. I don't know how to explain what that smells like, but that's how it smells. But yes, that was a Grom ride in the icy Canadian December 26th weather. Slowed this bad boy up. Hopefully you enjoyed, and stay tuned, because there's going to be more of these videos now that I have a new camera.